Built in 1971, Surprise Lake Middle School is worn out. The leaking roof is not repairable, and the school just doesn't fit today's educational needs. Today's technology infrastructure was unheard of back then.
We have to retrofit technology. We retrofit just about everything we do.
Safety and security are big concerns in an open-style school.
It's all windows. All the classrooms are on the outside. They all have windows. Everything has a deck that it's on the outside. We have doors everywhere to enter the building. That's 1970s, not 2017s.
The Fife School Board is proposing to replace Surprise Lake Middle School with a new modern school equipped to teach 21st century skills. The bond would also fund improvements in safety and security across the district with door locking systems and cameras. Please vote by February 13th.